In this video, I'm going to walk through how to view and edit two worksheets side by side in Excel. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. Here we have a workbook with two worksheets. We want to view both worksheets at the same time and be able to edit them. For example, I may want to use cells from the first worksheet in a formula in the second worksheet. Click on View in the ribbon and then click on New Window. Two copies of the same workbook appear. It is still the same file. You can see a 1 after the file name in one window and a 2 after the file name in the second window. You can use these two windows as you have them here, or continue on to see how to get them in the same window. In View on the ribbon, click View Side by Side. Click Synchronous Scrolling if needed. To arrange the windows vertically, click Arrange All in the View ribbon and then select Vertical and click OK. You will be working on the same workbook with different worksheets in the two windows. You can have more than two worksheets visible if you wish. That's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.